Hi friends, I am Madhu. In this video, we are going to talk about the chapter Time and Work. Time and work is a very easy and important chapter. It is asked in almost every competitive exam like banking, railway, insurance, etc. So now let's quickly get started with our topic. So in this chapter we will come across these two formulas and they are very simple. Just if we have to find a person's one day work, if we have to find that how much work a person have done in one day, then what we will do, we will divide the one by total number of days he requires to complete the work. If we have to find one day work of anyone, then we will divide 1 by the total number of days he will take to complete the work. So in this chapter we will use this formula also, and in this formula total number of days he requires to finish the work. If we have to find that how much days, total number of days a person will take to do the work, then what we have to do, we have to divide 1 by its one day's work. 1 by how much work he will do in one day, that will be divided and we can get the total number of days. So basically we will see these two formulas in the chapter. Now let's quickly get started from the questions. So friends, now here is the question. We will solve it. In this question, Ram can do a piece of work in 20 days. Means a work is there, Ram can do it in 20 days while Sham can do it in 30 days. Means Ram alone can do it in 20 days and Sham can do it in 30 days. How many days both will take to finish the work? If both will do the same work, how many days will be taken by them to do the work? So in this question, firstly we have to write one day's work of Ram. See, here 20 days he is taking alone to do the work. So one day work, as I have told you earlier, that it will be 1 divided by total number of days, that is 20. 1 by 20 is the one day work of Ram. Now, 1 day's work of Sham. It is 1 divided by how many days is taking? 30. So, divided by 30. It is 1 day work of Sham. Now we have to find that how many days will both take to do the work. So what we will do? 1 day work Ram and Sham. Now we have to find 1 day work of Ram and Sham. Means if they will do together, how much work will be done by them in one day. So we will add these both. 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. It will be 5 by 60. 5 by 60 we will cancel. It will come 1 by 12. So this is the one day work of both Ram and Sham. Now what we have to find is the number of days they will take to finish the work together. So if we are having one day work of anyone, the denominator will be the total number of days. Here as you can see, one day work of Ram was there. So 20 was the number of days. Here also 30 is the number of days. So here also 12 is the number of days they will take to do the work together. So at the last we will write 12 days will be taken by them to finish the work. to do the work. So like this you can solve any question when we have to find 1 day work of anyone and the total number of days. So friends, now here is the next question. In this question, A and B together can do a work in 12 days. There are two persons, A and B. They can do a work together in 12 days. Now, while B can do it in 30 days, if B alone will do the work, it will take 30 days. How many days will A take to do the work? Now here in this question what is given, if both will do the work, they will take 12 days. If B will only do the work, he will take 30 days. Now in the question they are asking how many days A will take to do the work. So in this question, firstly we have to write 1 day work of A plus B. A plus B means both together. Both are doing the work. So that's why we will write A plus B. It means together. It is 1 by and number of days 12 is there. So 1 by 12. It is the 1 day work of both. Now what is given 1 day work? We have to find the 1 day work of B. One day work of B will be 1 divided by 30. Now we have to find 1 day work of A so that we can get the number of days A will take to do the work. Now for finding the 1 day work of A, what we will do, we will subtract 1 day work of B from 1 day work of both so that we can get of A. It is obvious. So you will write here 1 day work of A. In this, firstly 1 day work of A plus B will be subtracted from 1 day work of B. If we will subtract 1 day work of B from the 1 day work of both, then we can get the 1 day work of A. So 1 day work of A plus B is 1 by 12 subtracted from 1 day work of B, that is 1 by 30. If we will subtract, the answer will come 3 by 60. 3 by 60 means 1 by 20 if we will cancel. 1 by 20. Now it is 1 day work of A. Now if we are having this, at the denominator is always the number of days. So at the denominator 20 is there. So we can write 20 days. A will take 20 days to do the work alone. So this was the question. In this just a little change was there, that it was given 1 day work of both and we have to find of A. So like this you can solve a question very easily. So friends, here is the next question. There are two pipes A and B and they have to fill a tank. If A will only fill the tank, it will take 2 hours. Means if A alone will fill the tank, it will take 2 hours, and if B will alone fill the tank, it will take 3 hours. Now the question is asking how much time both pipes will take to fill the tank. If the tank will be filled by both the pipes, how much time they will take. So in this question, firstly what you have to find is part of the tank filled in 1 hour, so that we can get 1 hour of both, how much they are filling in 1 hour. So we will write here part of the tank filled. Firstly we will find of A. filled by A in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, you have to divide number of hours by 1. If we have to find how much part of tank will be filled in 1 hour, so it will be 1 divided by number of hours taken by it to fill the tank. Now of B, part of tank filled by B in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, how much time it is taking? 3 hours. So it will be 1 by 3. So this much part of tank is filled in 1 hour by A, and this much tank is filled by B in 1 hour. Now we have to find how much time both will take. So firstly we have to find part of the tank filled in 1 hour by both. So we will add these. Part of the tank filled by A plus B means both in 1 hour. That will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, and it will be 5 by 6. Now if we are having anything that is related to 1 hour, how much work or how much part of tank it will fill in 1 hour, we have to find the time here. So for finding the time, we have to do the reciprocal. Instead, we are not taking the denominator, as I have told you in the last question. We will not take the denominator, we have to reciprocal. Like in our last question, the answer was 1 by 12. And if we have to find how much days it will take, then we will do reciprocal, and if we will do reciprocal, 12 will only come. So here if we will do the reciprocal, the answer will come 6 by 5, and 6 by 5 means 1 hour 12 minutes. This much time both will take to fill the tank. So in these types of questions, just you have to remember that how we can find the work done in 1 hour, how we can find the number of days. We have to reciprocal the fraction. So this was our chapter of time and work. We have completed it. मैं ऐसे ही चैप्टर्स पे वीडियो बनाती रहूँगी. So stay connected with me. और अगर आप चाहते हैं मैं किसी और टॉपिक या चैप्टर पे वीडियो बनाऊँ, तो प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं. That's all for this video. Thank you.